All right, it is 6:38. We're going over to Mike Eppel. We're waiting for an announcement for the Bank of Canada this morning, Mike.
Yes, indeed, Melanie. And some analysts are calling this potentially the most exciting Bank of Canada announcement in recent memory. Not that we are expecting an interest rate hike today. It's more about what Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz actually says about what's going on in the economy right now and what to expect for the remainder of the year. A lot of opposing or conflicting data points for the central bank policymakers, and that's why they're probably going to move to the sidelines on an interest rate hike today, but could warn that rates will go up in the summer. You've got NAFTA negotiations, this interprovincial dispute between BC and Alberta on the Trans Mountain Pipeline, global risk assessment, some mixed signals on the economy from the growth standpoint, and again, sort of a wait and see from the Bank of Canada expected today on interest rates. Nevertheless, with Canadians heavily indebted, interest rates going up will just tighten things up that much more and could lead to some people having trouble paying the bills on a monthly basis. We'll be tracking shares of Southwest Airlines today in reaction from the market to that tragedy midair yesterday involving that flight from New York City to Texas. And that was the first fatality, in-flight fatality for Southwest in its 40-year history. They will be inspecting all of those Boeing 737s and engines regarding what happened to that plane specifically. The NTSB and other authorities are looking things over. In the initial response this morning, we're actually seeing Southwest Airlines shares generally steady. Bombardier reportedly looking over 3 bids for the Downsview property, which could bring in anywhere from $700 million and up. Bombardier has said that it would like to sell this huge parcel of land in central Toronto to the objections of the union at the Downsview plant, and it would need a lot of rezoning to make that deal happen for residential use, likely. Hong Kong billionaire Li Ka-shing and 2 other Canadian investors, according to the Globe and Mail, are reportedly bidding for the Downsview site. Got the TSX coming in on a 4-day winning streak. Nice little rally for Bay Street. We'll send it back to the studio.